Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
You're a fashionista. So, any tips you would like to give to the youth girls today how to prep themselves for the
Okay.
day?
Honestly, as Indians, we have lots of body issues, and all I have to tell girls is dress for your body type. Don't be uncomfortable with the fact that you're all different sizes and shapes and colors. As long as you feel comfortable and look comfortable and feel beautiful, you will look beautiful. Don't try to ape people like me or whoever else there is, because like I said, it takes a lot for me to look like this. And a lot of money is spent on it also, trust me. So just don't get into it. Be normal, be beautiful, and just be original. As long as you're original, you'll automatically be stylish.
Sonam, I want to know which is the best glamorous and stylish unmarried couple in Bollywood according to you.
Unmarried.
Yeah, who is not married?
Who's not married? I don't know who's not married, who's a couple. They don't actually talk about
You're
it.
insider of Bollywood, you know everything. We know that, you know everything.
I know everything, but honestly, like whoever have been couples, like even I don't know, since I don't like attend too many of I don't know them very. I have like a couple of friends. They're all single actually in the industry. But who's unmarried? Name a few couples.
Ranveer, the
Ranbir, Katrina. Those are the only ones, right? Are they have they
Ranbir,
said that they're a
Deepika.
couple? Because I'm so scared about saying that they are.
Ranveer, Deepika, Ranbir, Katrina.
Yeah, Ranbir, Katrina, I guess. Okay.
And apparently Arjun Sonakshi, we don't know whether it's...
No comments.
सोनम, आपको तो स्टाइल आइकॉन माना जाता है।
शुक्रिया।
आप अपने अलावा बॉलीवुड में किसे मानती हैं जो सबसे ज्यादा फैशन?
जो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत स्टाइलिश है, रेखा। मुझे लगता है कि जब आप अंदर से खूबसूरत फील करते हैं और आप एथनिक कपड़े, शी इज वेयरिंग अ कांजीवरम साड़ीज, वो लाल लिपस्टिक डालती हैं, उनके बाल इतनी खूबसूरती से खुले रहते हैं, वो एकदम एथनिक ज्वेलरी पहनती हैं। देयर इज अ डिस्टिंक्ट स्टाइल टू रेखा। वो लुक आप सिर्फ रेखा को एट्रीब्यूट कर सकती हैं। एंड वो मेरे लिए सबसे, जैसे कि अगर आप शर्मिला टैगोर के बारे में बात करेंगे तो उनकी भी एक डिस्टिंक्ट लुक है। साधना, जब यस्टरडे हीरोइंस, दे ऑलवेज हैड अ डिस्टिंक्ट लुक। आई फील कि वो आजकल मिसिंग है। सारी हीरोइंस एक जैसे लगती हैं। एक डिस्टिंक्ट लुक होना चाहिए, एक डिस्टिंक्ट वाइब होना चाहिए। मुझे कल्कि मुझे लगता है कि वो भी डिस्टिंक्ट है, टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट। उसकी वाइब थोड़ी डिस्टिंक्ट है। कंगना टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट। ये दोनों जो है वो अब उनका अपना स्टाइल है, उनका अपना एक क्लास है, जो बहुत कम आजकल की हीरोइंस में होता है, एंड वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
यानी कि दीपिका, कैटरीना, इनको आप अपनी कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं
जी, वो
मानती?
बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, बहुत ही ग्लैमरस है, बट लाइक आई सेड, आई प्रेफर कल्कि एंड कंगना।
Okay, coming to Jitesh, I mean, this year at Filmfare red carpet, the awards, we saw some serious fashion game. So, could you tell us what are the changes or what sort of things have you seen from the past and now, the celebrities, how much of effort do they take?
Well, the biggest change is that you have all the fashion magazines which put film stars on the cover. So movies, like in the West, you have models being fashion icons. You have, huge stars, models, and all of them who are huge. Here you have movie stars.
But that's in the West
glamour
also now,
icons.
Jits.
Yeah, it is. But if you see in India, in the last 5 years, this trend has happened. And I think you have to credit it to her because she really made everybody conscious of what they're wearing. So, oh no, Sonam's coming, so then we have to all get dressed and, So she's sort of up the ante and scale for most of film stars in the country. And I'm not much of a fashionista, but I can tell you it was like the red carpet was like a bevy of, oomph, glamour, and like serious movie star moments, thanks to the fashion and the kind of clothes that they all wore.